Hello friends, welcome to Machine Learning the Future course. In the last part, we have seen data preprocessing module, wherein we have seen various phases or various steps which we need to perform before building the actual machine learning model. So in this part, we'll start with the classification of machine learning. So machine learning is classified into two parts: supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. And the unsupervised machine learning has its own types, regression and classification, while the unsupervised machine learning has its own types, clustering and association. To go into deep, let's move on to this next slide. So supervised machine learning. So supervised machine learning is the machine learning where you have the input variables, which is x, and the output variable, which is y, and you use an algorithm to learn the mapping function between the input to output. So in the supervised machine learning, you have both inputs as well as outputs. So in the classification, wherein we need to classify whether the output variable is inside categories such as red or blue, or regression where the output is kind of a real value. So most of the machine learning models will be based on the supervised machine learning, wherein there will be data which is supplied to the machine learning model, which includes x as well as y, which is dependent and independent variables. And unsupervised machine learning where you have only input data, so there is no output variable in this unsupervised machine learning. So goal is to model underlying structure in the data to learn more about data. So we'll be looking at clustering as well as the association in our machine learning course. So for now, this is it. So machine learning classifications, supervised and unsupervised. So we'll be starting with the supervised machine learning module, that is regression. So we'll be starting in the next part. For the time, thank you. Bye bye.